Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import Amazon reviews to Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over to your apps right here. And from in there, scroll down until you can see these all recommended apps. Scroll down again until you see the Shopify App Store. And then from in there, you can just head over and see the Shopify App Store in here and then search in here for Amazon reviews. So once you have searched in here for Amazon reviews, you should be able to see some search results that actually enables you to integrate or get some specific reviews in order to add them to your Shopify store. So for me, I'll just choose this easy Amazon reviews import. So click on this one. Then once you have clicked on that, as you can see, we have a plan available. So click on the install button, and then it will open a new tab where it will actually ask you in order to access your dashboard. So just head over and make sure to click on install. Then once you click on install, it will load itself. So let's just wait for that right here to finish the loading process. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. They have here my product, and in here I have right now 0 reviews, so I can actually import them from Amazon. So let's head over, click on Amazon right there, and then you just need to put in here the Amazon URL. I have here an Amazon URL, so let me just copy that, and then I'll just paste that right here. And then you can choose all stars. You can also choose photo reviews only, but it is actually essential on the ones that I have paid plan right here. So let's head back and let's try to actually add that or remove that. So in here, you need to upgrade to increase 350 reviews. So in here, I only have 30. So head over and click on Amazon reviews right here to successfully import it. So let's head over, click on this right here. And then this will load like this. So in here, let's just wait for this right here to finish loading process in order to successfully import the actual reviews we have. So in here, we have this right here. We have now our actual link. So it's been added to my actual product. So what we can do is we can click on this right here and we can actually open the product that has been integrated. So click on this open product. And then we should be able to see the actual reviews right here on our Shopify. But if still not showing itself, as you can see, it will take some time to load. And over here you can see now the customer reviews that we have imported from Amazon. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.